Are your kitchen drawers a chaotic mess? Can't find a spoon when you need one? Well, it's time to fix that in style. Today, we are diving into the world of spoon organizers, the small change that makes a big difference. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am here to explain the beautiful hack, kitchen organization ideas, and trending tools to simplify your life. Don't forget to hit and subscribe button. A spoon organizer is a storage tool designed to neatly arrange your spoons, forks, and cutlery. Whether it's in a kitchen drawer or on the countertop, these organizers save space and time. No more digging through messy drawers. Drawer tray organizers. There are many types of spoon organizers. One of them is drawer tray organizers, perfect for in-drawer storage. Rotating spoon holders, stylish and functional for countertops. Wall-mounted organizers, space-saving and modern. Expandable bamboo trays, adjustable and eco-friendly. Plastic compartment trays, budget-friendly and easy to clean. What are the benefits of these spoon organizers? Declutters your kitchen instantly, save time during cooking, improves kitchen hygiene, adds aesthetic value, reduces wear and tear on cutlery. Now, what are the trending spoon organizers designs in 2025? Minimalistic acrylic organizers, magnetic spoon holders, eco-friendly wooden trays, smart organizers with built-in sterilizers. So, whether you are redesigning your kitchen or just need a quick fix to the mess, spoon organizers are a must-have. Comment below which type suits your kitchen style, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home organization tips every week. So, watch the video till the end and must share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.